Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the free Safari Animals kit that is available this month in our customer hub. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and prayer Bible supplies. So here is our Safari kit. As with all of our kits, there are 4 scriptures in it. And we have some prayer lists to do, some washi, some flags, and our day covers, some icons, our emojis and weather, some words, the weekend sticker. Then we have our adorable date covers, and some extra little decorative designs, some more icons, and some scriptures. You can click the link below in the description to be able to download this free and by joining our free customer hub. Just join the customer hub and there's all kinds of free stuff for you available in the customer hub. And that is our kit. So I hope you enjoy it. And I hope if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait to see you in the very next video. Have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.